Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we are going to see that how to convert a Microsoft Word file which has the questions into a Blackboard test. So we begin by looking at a document like this. This is an old paper. So it has all the questions and the options in highlight. There are a couple of steps we need to do. So it can take you around 10-15 minutes to convert this into a Blackboard test directly. So what we are going to do is we are going to select all. It will select everything, tables, picture. You can just copy and then go to Notepad. In Notepad, paste. Now we are going to work on the Notepad. So as you can see, it's plain text now. So we need to do a couple of steps to format it. So the first thing is that we need to remove the extra spaces. And we have these options given as A in a circle, B in a circle. So we need to remove that and make them of a standard. So I'm going to format the document, and I'm going to show you how this is done. So as you can see, the formatting over here, some question numbers are not aligned correctly, so I have to just press enter at the right places. If something is off the margin, I have to make it sure that everything looks straightforward. So as you can right now see, so we are here. Here comes the reading passage. I'll come back to this in a minute. We may not include this right now. We may have to take it and put it back in the Blackboard itself. So for now, I'm going to delete it from here. Okay, but you have to remember that after going, for example, question 26, so before that you have to insert, in this question you have to insert the reading in Blackboard, not here. So this one is done, this one is done, this one is done, and this one is done. Step 1 is done. The step 2 is that you have these numbers, these options A, B, C, D. We have to make them standard, A with a full stop. And so what will I do? I will use Control H. This is a find and replace command. I have selected this one. So I would like this A in a circle to be replaced with A with a dot. So I'll just say replace. It will replace one of it. Then I'll say replace all. It has replaced all of it, as you can see on this side. Same goes for the next one. I'll come here, choose any single B, paste it here, and then say that I need a B with a dot in its place. Replace all are done. Same for C. I will paste it here, copy from here, paste it in this bar, in this box. C with a dot, and replace all. Last one, D. I have just copied one of them, pasted it here, and D with a dot. Replace all. So this part is also done. The next part is that I have to put an asterisk before the correct answer. So before the correct option. For example, in this one is the correct one. I will just put an asterisk over here like that. So as we go back to the document, as you can see, the highlighted parts show which was the correct answer. So I'll just go on and put all of them there and tell you the next steps in a bit. Okay, as you can see now that I have given an asterisk before the correct answer in every one of the cases. The document is now ready. So what am I going to do? I'm going to Control A, select them, Control C, copy all of the text, close it, open the browser, and here I'm going to write bit.ly/quiz gen UQU. I'll post the link in the description as well, and you will see this on the screen right now. So when you reach here, it's a quiz generator by Oklahoma Christian University. So it generates the compatible file that you can then import into the Blackboard. So here you have, like we are dealing with multiple choice questions, so you have other options too. And test name, not necessary that you take. You just paste the things from the notepad formatted here. like this, as you can see. So this all are 50 questions. Alright, so what am I supposed to do? I just have to click generate questions, generate test questions. I have clicked that. You see the green, it means it has read each and every question, and the option and the syntax and the format is all right. No, nothing red here. Perfect. So I'll just click download test questions or download question pool. Question pool is something that imports directly into the content management system inside the Blackboard. We'll just click the download test questions, and from here I'll just say Blackboard quiz, so I'll leave the name as is, save. Now what am I supposed to do? I need to go back to my Blackboard. Here, this is where I will try to click exams, and here are the tools. If I want to make a new test, okay, I have. Just create a new one. Like for example, I say, okay, this is the test, description not necessary, click submit. Okay, so when it comes to this point, the trial is here. I'll upload the questions, and it will ask me the file which contains the questions, and the file is this one. I'll click open, submit, and voila, all of the questions are here. The options are also selected. Everything is here. So coming quickly to the reading part. So you remember question 26 where we skipped the reading. This is the question 26. I'll just click here, click edit. Now, like we do in question 26, since it's a reading passage, so I'll just press enter here. Okay, here we are. This is question 26, the reading passage. So I'll just insert it again here. So I'll open the file where I had the reading passage with me. This is the Citizen First, for instance. Copy, go back and paste, submit. The rest of the stuff is done. The rest of the stuff is taken care of. There was one reading here in question 33. I just click edit, and I go back to this place and economic stability passage. That's it. So here is the question. I'll push the question down, and here I will insert the passage. I'll click submit. My test is ready. The questions are ready actually. So what I'll do, if I want to edit the options, I'll just click OK. I mean, all the rest of the settings, like setting the grades, setting the options, that's a subject for another video. But this one was to make you understand that how can you bring in all the questions from Microsoft Word, doing a couple of steps. And it depends on your speed, how far you want to do. It's far better than typing each and everything again. So I hope you like it. So if there's any question, you can always send an email to me. Thank you so much.